Hi YouTube, I'm Aiman. Welcome back to my auto repair videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open the trunk of a 2004-2009 Toyota Prius. For example, if the battery doesn't work or you disconnected the battery for some reason. So right now we disconnected the battery and you can see we can't open the trunk. And there's no key lock. So the only way we can open it is from the inside, which is actually very simple. So let's get to it. Alright, so the first step is go in the rear seats. And what you're going to notice that first we're going to want to pull these seats back, and to do that there is let me get a flashlight out, a button right here. There's also one on the driver's side or left side. So all you have to do to pull the seat down is to push that button and then just pull the seat. And to make it easier, you probably want to do it on the other side. So I'm just going to do that quickly. And if you have anything in the trunk right now, move it out of the way, probably off this carpet. And then after that, what you want to do is you want to just move this carpet off, put it to the side, probably down here. And then from here, so once you've taken the carpet off, we're going to take a look at these two knobs, this one on the left and this one on the right. Now, right now, they're in their lock position, and if you if you look close enough, you'll see that it actually says that this is the lock position, and that you can see on this knob there's an arrow. If it's facing that way, that means it's locked. So what we can do is we can twist it, so horizontally, and on this side, same deal. It's the other way, and we should be able to take it out. Alright, so this folds out. So once you folded it up, just lift it up, and then set it aside. And now we're going to take a look here. Alright, so once we get to the back, you can see that right next to this caution sign there is a slot, a hole here. Now I'm not sure if there's supposed to be a cover here. There might be, but in our case we don't have one. But there still might be a cover there. So let's look inside this hole. You could probably see. Oh, okay. So you guys can see slightly in there. And what we want to look for is that gray knob right there, that gray piece. What you want to do is you want to be able to stick your finger in there and loop it, trying to get this for a good angle. You want to get it behind the pedal or the button and press towards you. So it's gonna be a bit hard for you guys to see. So you can see that you could hear that click, which means that the trunk opened. So next step is just to lift the trunk. There we go. Alright, so now that we have the trunk open, let me just show you right here. This is the battery that we disconnected. You can see the cables right here. They're disconnected. So I have a video on how to disconnect the battery, if you need to see it. I also have a video on how to disconnect the hybrid battery, which is right behind this. I also have a video on that, so go check that out. I'll probably link it in the description below. This is the connector piece for it, or the lock for it. And sorry if I wasn't clear on anything, but if you just use your intuition, I'm sure you can figure it out. So I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. We've got videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the Toyota Prius videos, because I'm doing a lot of them lately. And I'll see you there. Signing out. Peace.